This house is composed of 4 semi-connected pavilions and centers around spirituality and meditation. After years of close involvement with a Buddhist community in upstate New York, the residents, deeply rooted in spiritual practice, decided to plant roots closer to their temple in Glen Spey. The expansive site was chosen for its location, just a short walk from the temple on the adjacent lot. The design of the Tranquil abiding retreat is guided by 3 main references: the temple, the sun, and a creek that runs through the middle of the property. The house consists of fragmented volumes, main bedroom suite, living room, guest suite, and meditation space, arranged across 4 distinct pavilions. These autonomous pavilions are connected by corridors, creating a juxtaposition of empty and occupied spaces, the void in contrast to the filled. The meditation space was placed directly on axis with the temple, reinforcing the spiritual purpose of the home. Upon entering the meditation pavilion, a Thanka, a colorful Buddhist painting, takes center stage on the wall, flanked by 2 smaller windows. Instead of being faced with large glass surfaces, we're drawn to the striking presence of the artwork, clearly marking the space as one of meditation, a space for spiritual practice. Unlike the other volumes, the meditation pavilion expresses its central role in the residents' lives. A floating roof extends above the structure, enhancing its vertical presence and allowing for clerestory windows to be added. Window openings were significantly reduced in this pavilion, minimizing distractions and keeping the focus on meditative peace. Clerestory windows, set beneath a wood-clad ceiling, bring in soft, natural light without making the view a focal point. The living room faces due south, maximizing sunlight throughout the day and capturing both sunrise and sunset views. Other interior spaces are kept quiet, cozy, and modest. With an emphasis on minimizing excess and reflecting on daily habits, smart storage solutions help simplify the couple's routines and promote mental clarity. Beyond their practical function, the connecting corridors also act as visual axes, allowing uninterrupted views through the house. The main bedroom suite, facing southeast, opens onto the creek landscape. Stone was chosen to clad the exterior of all 4 pavilions, most of it sourced directly from the site. Extracted in its raw form, the material ranged dramatically in size and shape, from small fragments to large boulders. With a concrete slab cantilevered over the foundation walls, the pavilions appear to float gently above the ground, giving a sense of lightness. Whether during meditation or while taking a ritual walk through the forest to the temple, this peaceful retreat honors spirituality as the guiding force in the lives of those who live here.